And we're back with another incredible 5-minute market update. Bitcoin has dropped from 90,000, 91,000, all the way down here to 86 and continues to drop short term. What is going on? Why is Bitcoin dumping? Well, guess what, guys? We got our Bitcoin strategic reserve, but it's not what everyone was hoping for. Pay attention.
Today we're signing, and this is very historic, an executive order establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve and digital asset stockpile. This is a promise that you made throughout the campaign, and today we're keeping that promise. The reserve will be capitalized with Bitcoin that the federal government already owns, so it won't cost taxpayers a dime.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? This is not what we've been told. This is not what has been hyped up to us for a while. Keep listening.
This is like a digital Fort Knox for digital gold. And premature sales of Bitcoin over the past years cost American taxpayers over $17 billion in lost value because we didn't have a long-term strategy.
Right.
Now we do.
He's right. Selling Bitcoin prematurely, as in not just holding on to it, hodling, it's cost taxpayers a lot of money because that money could have gone towards paying down the deficit.
So,
And this is something you believe in fully.
100%, yeah.
Okay.
And the whole community believes in it.
Very good. And I may
And because of that fatal move, that fatal statement, Bitcoin sold off. Weekends are selling because of fear, because it's not living up to their expectations. Now, let me just get this straight. The President of the United States just signed into an executive order saying, we're not going to sell the Bitcoin that we already have, and the price sells off. This is short-term FUD and fear. You guys are obviously forgetting the fact that there is a White House crypto summit that is happening today, my time, but you're in North America tomorrow time, where there's going to be more details about the strategic reserve. Senator Lutnick is talking about this 1 million Bitcoin bought over 4 years. So is Senator Lummis. There's also the crypto strategic reserve. Like, this is just one part of it. And of course, the price is puking short term. Not really worried about it long term. Now, let's look at a couple of other realistic things that are telling us, are things really bad? For one, the price of Bitcoin did wick yesterday up above our overhead resistance line that has yet to really be conquered, which is okay. We saw kind of a test this 4-hour candle period that's literally just gotten started, but it's still too early to tell. Honestly, this feels like a nothing burger. If Bitcoin is going to fall, we're probably looking at it respecting this line right here. So if it's going to fall, it could fall as low as 83,000. But again, there's a massive event coming literally in just 24 hours. So I think people are overreacting and they're selling the news, which doesn't make a lot of, actually, I should say it this way. It's not a bad idea. Buy the rumors, sell the news, but this is kind of a weird way to do it. Now, 4-hour on-balance volume is actually looking really good. On-balance volume is telling us that support is being held for now. Admittedly, the candle literally just started, 34 minutes ago. So it's not like, wow, we have such a good line of support here. Most likely, if it continues to sell off and close red, we're going to hold the line, but it matters what's going to happen over the next 24 hours. I'm still optimistic, cautiously, that this crypto summit is going to work well, that things will go well. But of course, the market is also following Bitcoin's dumping. Ethereum sold off, Solana sold off, AVAX selling off, Near, Ondo. All of these are going to be represented in the White House crypto summit today. Now, the main thing I'm looking at right now and paying attention to, which you should too, is BVOL 7D, which is literally at the tip top of this range. It could still shoot up higher, but the fact of the matter is that RSI is starting to show signs of weakness. So is price action. I'm expecting it to drop. Now, because of the short-term fear and selling that we saw, of course, stablecoin dominance has shot up a little bit. Bitcoin dominance has not really increased, which is actually interesting. So this is pretty much just a fear-driven sell-off. Very, very fast, very short-term fear, panic, uncertainty, doubt, infused sell-off. So not really worried about it at this moment. The main thing that's still important to watch is the others market cap. I still think others has a really good shot of having a nice rebound, especially others dominance is still holding the line. It's looking really good. Now, there's still a lot that could happen over the next 24 hours. We really don't know. So the best thing you can do is brace yourselves for volatility. And if you don't know what that means, how to even handle markets that are jumping like this or how to buy the dip, we have courses that teach you how to do this at thebettertraders.com. I also have lots of information I'm sharing all the time in the Better Traders Club, not to mention access to the TBO indicator, TBT divergence, market updates, watch lists, all that fun stuff. If you're not sure where to start, the trader tier is a great place to go. And if you're just looking for a way to get started in crypto, masteringassets.com, again, I'm going to leave the link down below, has a new course by me. This is for it's an introductory course to crypto for people that just don't have any idea what's happening. Why is everything following Bitcoin? What's going on with these dominance levels? Like, how does this all work? This is the place to start. The main thing that I'm looking at for this little sell-off right now is chill out, guys. It's not bad news. And there's still more news to be shared tomorrow. So this is short-term FUD and panic and fear, where we're looking at a long-term, really bullish outlook for crypto. So hold on to your positions, continue to buy the dip, and until the next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.